Students, now we will see some different types of questions. Eliminate theta from given equation. Students, this type of questions also so many times asked in board exam. Okay, so let us see. First equation is given. X is equal to a cot theta minus b cosec theta. This is the first equation. And second one is y equal to a cot theta plus b cosec theta. Okay. Now students, we studied linear equations in two variables. So how we solve that equations? Same way we have to solve these equations, and we have to get the value of cot theta and cosec theta. Like how we find out the value of variable x and y. Same way, instead of that variable, we have to find the value of trigonometric ratios. And then we have to apply the identities using that ratios. Followed? So this way we can eliminate theta. Okay, so let's solve the equation. First we will write this equation and we will give the number for this equation. First is x is equal to a cot theta minus b cosec theta. This is the first equation. Y equal to a cot theta plus b cosec theta. This is our second equation. Same linear equation in two variables. Now see here, you can see the cosec theta ratio is having same variable, but it is having plus minus sign. So let's first we will add these equations. Adding equation 1 and 2. So if you add the equation here, left hand side addition, we will get x plus y equal to a cot theta plus a cot theta. A plus a, 2a. So here we will get 2a cot theta. And this minus b cosec theta plus b cosec theta gets cancelled. Now from this expression we will find the value of cot theta. Therefore, cot theta is equal to x plus y upon 2a. Followed? So this way we got the value of first trigonometric ratio. Okay. Now we have to find out cosec theta. So for that we have to eliminate cot theta. Now cot theta is also having same variable as a coefficient, but it is having same sign, plus plus. So what we will do? We will do subtracting. So subtracting equation 1 from equation 2. Subtracting equation 1 from equation 2. So we will write the second equation first. Y is equal to a cot theta plus b cosec theta minus x is equal to a cot theta minus b cosec theta. So due to this minus sign, each term from the second equation gets different sign. So here minus, minus, plus. So here we will get y minus x. Now a cot theta minus a cot theta get cancelled. B cosec theta plus b cosec theta, we will get 2b cosec theta. And therefore cosec theta is equal to y minus x upon 2b. Okay? Okay. Now here value of cot theta and cosec theta. So we will use the identity which has cot and cosec. So which identity we will use? Correct. 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. Using trigonometric identity, one plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. If you take cot square theta on this side here, we will get cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. Therefore, cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Therefore, now we will substitute the values. Cosec square theta. Cosec theta is equal to y minus x upon 2b. Bracket square minus cot theta is equal to x plus y upon 2a. Bracket square is equal to 1. Now here we will not go for squaring the bracket. Here we will write y minus x bracket square upon 4b square minus x plus y bracket square upon 4a square is equal to 1. So this way we eliminated theta. Follow next example. X equal to 3 cosec theta plus 4 cot theta. Y equal to 4 cosec theta minus 3 cot theta. Okay. Let's write the equation here. X is equal to 3 cosec theta plus 4 cot theta. This is first equation. Y equal to 4 cosec theta minus 3 cot theta. This is second equation. Now student, if you observe the coefficients of these ratios, these are not equal. So to get these values of the ratio, first we have to make the coefficients equal. Okay, for that first we will eliminate cot theta. So what we have to do? The first equation we have to multiply by 3 and this second equation we have to multiply by 4. Okay, so write the order. Multiplying equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 4. Equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 4. Okay. So the first equation, the whole equation we will multiply by 3. So first term is here x. So here we will get 3x equal to 3 3s are 9 cosec theta plus 4 3s are 12 cot theta. Okay. This is our new equation number 3. Now, second equation we have to multiply by 4. So here 4y equal to 4 4s are 16 cosec theta minus 3 4s are 12 cot theta. This is our new equation number 4. Okay. Now here cot theta ratio have same coefficient and it has plus minus sign. So to eliminate cot theta we will add these equations. Adding equation 3 and 4. We get left hand side addition 3x plus 4y. See students, these are unlike terms. So in hurry don't write 3x plus 4y equal to 7xy. Okay, it will not add it. So 3x plus 4y equal to 9 cosec theta plus 16 cosec theta. 9 plus 16, 25 cosec theta. And this plus 12 cot theta minus 12 cot theta get eliminated. From this we have to find out value of cosec theta. So cosec theta is equal to 3x plus 4y upon 25. This is the value of cosec theta. Okay. Now we will find out cot theta. So to find out the value of cot theta, we have to eliminate cosec theta. And for that we have to multiply first equation by 4 and second equation by 3. Multiplying equation 1 by 4 and equation 2 by 3. Okay, so we will get equation 1. First equation we have to multiply by 4. So here we will get 4x equal to 3 4s are 12 cosec theta plus 4 4s are 16 cot theta. This is our new equation number 5. Okay. Second equation we have to multiply by 3. So here we will get 3y equal to 4 3s are 12 cosec theta minus 3 4 3s are 9 cot theta. This is equation number 6. Now to eliminate cosec theta, these both the terms have same sign, so we have to do subtraction. Okay. We will subtract equation 6 from equation 5. Subtracting equation 6 from equation 5. So which equation we will write first? Equation 5. This 4x equal to 12 cosec theta plus 16 cot theta minus 3y equal to 12 cosec theta minus 9 cot theta. So this sign will change. So here we will get 4x minus 3y equal to 12 cosec theta minus 12 cosec theta get eliminated, and 16 cot theta plus 9 cot theta we will get 25 cot theta. Therefore, cot theta is equal to 4x minus 3y upon 25. 4x minus 3y upon 25. Okay, now we will use identity. Using trigonometric identity, so same identity we will use. 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. Therefore, cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Okay. Therefore, cosec theta value we got 3x plus 4y upon 25. Bracket square minus cot theta value is 4x minus 3y upon 25 bracket square equal to 1. Okay. Therefore, 3x plus 4y bracket square upon 625 minus 4x minus 3y bracket square upon 625 equal to 1. Now see student, both are having same denominator, so we can do subtraction. Here we will get 3x plus 4y bracket square minus 4x minus 3y bracket square upon 625 is equal to 1. And then we will take this 625 on this side. So we will get the final answer 3x plus 4y bracket square minus 4x minus 3y bracket square is equal to 625. So this way we eliminated theta. Next, third one. X is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta. Okay. So let's take the first equation. X is equal to r cos theta. Therefore, we will get directly value of cos theta is equal to x upon r. Okay. Next one is y equal to r sin theta. Therefore, sin theta is equal to y upon r. Now sin and cos theta we got. So we will use the identity. Which identity? First identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So using trigonometric identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sin theta is equal to y upon r. So y upon r bracket square. Cos theta is equal to x upon r bracket square is equal to 1. Now make square. Therefore, y square upon r square plus x square upon r square is equal to 1. Now again here also the denominator is same. So we can directly add the numerator. Therefore, y square plus x square upon r square is equal to 1. Now this r square we will take on this side. And this we will arrange properly. X square plus y square is equal to r square. So this way we eliminated theta. Follow? Now this type of question carries 2 marks. Simple. And before this we solved 2 examples. That type of question carries 3 or 4 marks. Okay? Follow?